up, guys?
Right now we're at Sunrise Attitude Hotel with Nadine and she's showing us how to make pottery. I've never done it, I'm super keen. Let's give it a go. We've been here for 1 hour right now and it literally feels like 5 minutes. This is so fun. I feel like I'm a kid again. It is so stress relieving. And what's cool about this as well is that there are no rules. You can make whatever you want and start again whenever you want.
It kind of looks like a mug. I'm not sure. What do you guys think?
So today's workshop has actually come to an end and I can say I had so much fun. I had never done this before, so thank you so much Nadine for sharing your passion with us.
Welcome, it was so nice to have you guys.
Yeah.